Ragi Rotti. Everyone knows it's healthy, almost no one can make it right. It cracks the moment you try to lift it, it goes hard within minutes of hitting the plate. It tastes bitter and you don't know even why. You blame yourself, it's not you, it's the water temperature, it's the flour's age, it's the small things nobody tells you. But today, Amma fixes every single one of them. Stay with me.
Namaskara. This video has one job: 10 problems that ruin Ragi Roti at home and 10 solutions Amma has used for decades to fix every one of them. Cracking, hardness, bitterness, tearing while you lift it, dryness while you eat it. By the end of this video, you will know exactly why and exactly how Amma fixes those problems. Let us begin. Welcome to Deepaks Kitchen. New video every Tuesday and Friday at 11 am. Come, let's cook.
Here is everything you need. Take a screenshot if you want. Check your flour first. Look at this. This is ragi flour, completely gluten-free, genuinely good for you. Problem 1. Bitter, off-tasting roti. And the solution is, this flour must be fresh, ground within the last 40 to 60 days, not older. Old ragi flour turns rancid and the rancid flour tastes bitter. No amount of salt or ghee will fix that. Before anything else, check your flour age. This is non-negotiable. 1 cup of this flour. Because it's gluten-free, it has nothing. No elastic structure to hold itself together. This is exactly why this roti behaves completely differently from the wheat roti. And that is what we fixed next. Problem 2. Dough cracks, falls apart. And the solution is very simple. Boiling water, not warm, boiling hot water. Because the ragi has zero gluten, regular kneading with normal water will never hold it together. Equal parts, 1 cup of ragi flour to 1 cup of water. I'm keeping both side by side so there is no confusion on quantity. Water into the pot. Bring it to a full rolling boil. And the problem number 3. Salt ends up unevenly distributed. And the solution is simple. While the water is still boiling, not after, add your salt directly into the water. Salts dissolve fully in the boiling water and spreads evenly through every grain of the flour. Add salt to a dry flour later and you will get a patchy seasoning. And the 4th problem, roti turns hard and dry after cooking. And the solution is very simple. 1 tablespoon of ghee straight into the boiling water.
Ragi is a dry grain by nature. This little fat is what keeps the final roti soft instead of stiff. Skip it and you're fighting a losing battle against dryness.
Now add the ragi flour gradually, little by little, give it a nice mix. Don't worry about the lumps right now, we will fix that in the next step. Mix it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Press it with your fingers. See how it's coming together. Close the lid, rest for 3 minutes. Heat completely off. The residual heat from this boiling water keeps cooking the ragi flour from the inside without any extra flame. After 3 minutes, transfer everything onto a flat platform. Always use a platform, not a bowl, not a parat for any dough. It gives you the room you actually need. Let this cool until you can handle it with your bare hands, 2 to 3 minutes. Problem 5. Dough is crumbly, full of lumps. Solution: a little more hot water, not warm, hot. About a half a cup more, added gradually, never all at once. Before you knead, apply a little ghee to your palm first so that the dough doesn't stick to your hands as you work. Problem 6. Rough and uneven kneading. Amma's solution: use the heel of your palm, push forward, hold back. This back and forth motion smooths the dough, not just pressing down on it. Add water little by little as you need it, always hot, never warm. This takes about 2 to 3 minutes and it's non-negotiable. This is what makes the dough completely lump-free. When you are satisfied, shape it into a ball, press your finger into it. If it goes in clearly exactly like this, your ragi dough is ready. Set this aside. From here, Amma takes over. She takes a small portion of the dough onto the platform, a little ghee on her hands first. She kneads the small portion about 30 seconds just to remove any remaining lumps. A little ragi flour dusted onto the platform, she shapes it into a small disc using her hands. Dusts a touch more of flour on top and begins rolling with a rolling pin. Decades of practice, watch how effortless this is. Cracked edges while rolling. Solution is very simple again. Look at this surface. No cracks, no breaking at the edges. This is the only possible because the dough was kneaded with the hot water properly for the full 2 to 3 minutes. Skip the test and this surface would be splitting apart right now. Once you are happy with the size and thickness, roti tear when you lift up. Solution: this is where the most people fail. Your dough wasn't kneaded properly with hot water. You cannot lift the roti in one piece. It will tear. Watch how seamlessly Amma lifts it. No tearing, no cracking. And here she is showing you the exact thickness of the roti it should be. Not too thick, not paper thin. This is ideal. Tawa on high flame, always high for this roti. A little oil or ghee on the tawa first. Remember, ragi is dry by nature. This little fat compensates for that. The ragi roti goes onto the hot tawa. Roti feels dry while eating. Solution: because we used dry ragi flour while rolling, the surface needs moisture back immediately. Amma uses a wet cloth and presses it across the top surface of the roti right away. This one move closes off the dry flour surface completely, so that the roti never tastes dusty and dry when you eat it. Cook for 50 to 60 seconds, then flip. You will see it to start bubble slightly. Cook the second side for another 30 to 40 seconds. Flip once more and now switch to a dry cotton cloth. Tap, press gently across the surface. Problem 10. Expecting a full pulka style puff. Solution: this is ragi roti, not wheat pulka. It will not balloon up completely. That's not a flaw. That's just how the gluten-free rotis behave. A gentle partial puff like this is exactly what you want to see. Take it off onto a plate. That's it. Second roti, same process. Let's do one more so you see the full rhythm. Amma takes another small portion, works it briefly on the platform with a little ghee, dust a touch of ragi flour on the platform, rolls it to the size, lift it gently. Amma is showing the thickness. Oil on top of the tawa, roti goes on. Wet cloth across the surface immediately. Cook 1 minute, flip. 30 to 40 seconds. Flip once more. With a dry cloth, tap and press gently until it's puffed. Off the tawa onto the plate.
One last thing. Eat this within 2 to 3 minutes of it coming off the tawa. Ragi roti stiffens fast as it cools. A little ghee on top keeps it soft for longer.
10 problems, 10 solutions. Fresh flour, boiling water, salt in the water, ghee for softness, patient kneading, a wet cloth for the surface, and accepting that this roti will never puff like a pulka. And that's fine. That is everything Amma knows about ragi roti in one video. I'm pairing this today with the Karnataka's famous Badnekai Enai, and honestly, this combination is something else.
Want Amma's complete Enai recipe next? Comment Enai below. If enough of you ask for it, Amma's Enai becomes our next recipe. You decide what she cooks next. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to Deepaks Kitchen and hit the bell icon. Until we meet again in the next video, this is Deepak Kshatriya signing off. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Namaskara.